Good evening everyone, this is another beautiful day. I think day 191 or 2, but I'm really excited, and I want to let you know that I'm doing a lot of ice baths. I'm doing a lot of sauna. I mean, sauna and ice bath are a great combination, so you should definitely try some of this recovery mechanism. Not even recovery, just going in the cold water, coming out, you just feel so full of life, and we all need to feel that way, right? So let's get started, on the plank.
Everybody dance now!